This is not snow, people. This is sand. I'm at White Sand National Park. Pretty cool.
I buy this one. So I buy her a lot.
Highly recommend it if you're making a lot of purchases.
That's what you're saying too.
Okay. This is a longer climb than it looked like when I started off. Oh, this is just so awesome. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Go up a little higher. See where the wind swept the sand. This is so cool. Ooh. Okay, my feet are sinking in now. Oh, wow. This is so neat. Oh, there's my little camper down there. This is one of the picnic areas. Cool. That's all I can say. This is so cool. Some people having fun over there. Okay. Let's get back down. It's weird. It doesn't look like it's that far, and then you start walking and realize that's a little farther than you thought. Okay, I'm gonna take some pictures for my people. They ran out sleds so you can slide down these hills. Maybe I'll do that the next time. so cold out here, especially on top of the hill. It's like my fingers are turning to ice cubes. I was supposed to go to nice warm weather, remember? I haven't got there yet. Okay. Onward. Do my footsteps. Okay, my footsteps will be covered over in about a half hour. And when I'm driving on here, they said it's not pavement, it is sand, hard packed. But, okay, let me get down this. Oh! Okay, sand in the shoes. This is really neat. This was really worth it. So this is $25 to get into this park, back to the dunes. But I had, oh, what is that? The pass for old people. Oh, that's it. Senior pass. I have the senior pass. I got a lifetime senior pass when I first went out on the road. And it's the first time I've used it. And instead of paying 25 bucks, I got in here free. How cool is that? Those are, I think, way, way in the distance, the mountains I came over. Lincoln National Forest. And the mountains I came over to get to Alamogordo. Okay, I gotta get inside. It is like ice. Oh my gosh. Let's check and see what the temperature is, but it's doggone cold. I hope you could hear me out there with the wind. If not, I'm sorry. But beautiful sight anyway. Okay, I'm headed on. I'm gonna stop and look. Where am I stopping? Las Cruces. So I'll see you in a bit. Watching the sunset behind these for about a week now. And I'm really hoping I am just going through this mountain, through a pass, and not having to drive over it to get to Las Cruces, because I really don't want to climb a mountain. It looks like we're going to go either around them or between them or something like that. I forgot to check before I left. Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing great. So that pass ended up being a little bit more than I thought it would be. It was like 1,700 feet like this in a very short amount of time, and relentless. Let's just call it relentless. It didn't level out at all till you get to the top. So, yeah, I started off at 65 miles an hour, and a few minutes later, I was pushing it at 35. And it wasn't just me; it was a lot of the automobiles around me too. So, the really cool part about that is once you reach the top and start to go over, the whole city of Las Cruces is just spread out as far as you can see. It's just really cool. There's a lot of that terrain around here. I'm finding that out. So I wanted to add one more thing to the White Sands tour. It was just something I read in their brochure here, and I thought I would share it with you because I thought it was really cool. It was the why of White Sands, and it says the gypsum from an ancient sea. I'm going to do this so I can see this. Said when the Permian Sea retreated millions of years ago, it left behind deep layers of gypsum. Mountains rose and carried the gypsum high, and then later water from melting glaciers dissolved the mineral and returned it to the basin, and today rain and snow continue the process. I just thought that part about the glaciers was really cool. That was a really neat tour. I'm glad I stopped by there and had a look at that. So I'm going to try to keep this video short because I'm really not sure how good the upload speeds are here. I don't think they're very good, but I'll just keep it short here. I have found warmer temps, though today it's rainy and cold and cloudy, but hopefully this afternoon the sun will come out and things will be better. But I have found warm temps. We should be 60s during the day here, and then high 30s and 40s at night, which is a great relief for me. And hopefully from here on out, we're seeing temperatures like that and eventually higher. That would be nice. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for spring. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll put out another video in a couple days. Like I said, I just want to try to keep this one short so I can get it to you. And you all take care, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.